Here is another example of three variable K-map. The question is reduce the following function using K-map and implement using gates. The function is given as f of xyz is equal to summation 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have to write down the solution for this one. We are going to draw the three variable K-map for this. First, I have drawn the structure for the K-map. Now what I have to find out, I have to implement this equation. Okay, f of xyz. So here the first term is 0. So put it as 1. Next is 2. In place of 2 I will put. Next is 4. Here I will put. Next is 5. And the last one is 6. So here I will write 6. Okay. So first I will try that to make the group of 8. Okay. Is it possible to make group of 8 over here? No. So we will try next to make the group of 4. Can we make a group of 4 over here? Yes, we can make it. How we can do it? Here this is group of 2 and at the left corner you are again having group of 2. So the complete structure is a group of 4. Okay, you can take the grouping of adjacent side of your K-map. Likewise, the upper side also you can do. Upper half and lower half. So left is only this single one. Okay, this can be paired with the number which is available over here. So your second term will be this grouping. Okay, now you have to give the name of this 4. To name it, what we have to do? We have to find out x first. 0, 1. The x is changing. So leave this. Next you have to see column wise. Column wise these two columns are completely. So first is your y. Y is also changing. So left is what? Z. Z is common in this one. So this will be your Z bar. Okay. Next term is your this group, second group. In this case, this one come in single column where x is here common. So we will write it as x. If we will see column wise, the 1 is available in these two columns where y is common, 0, 0. In both the case 0 are available. So this will be y bar. In Z, 0, 1 is changing. So leave Z. So your next term is xy. Okay. You can see in case of this three variable K-map, when the pair of 2 is available, there are two variables in your K map. When you are making the pair of 4, here you are having a single variable, that is z. Okay, so the answer for this is, your solution is f of x, y, z is equal to z bar plus x, y bar. Next question is asked that implement using gates. Now we have to implement this equation using gates. Here it is z, variable z is also present, x and y is also present. Okay, so we have to use OR gate at the final stage. In the first stage we are going to use AND gate. Here it is dot. Okay, so first we will draw for x and y. We will have one AND gate. This will be x and y is barred, so this is y bar. Okay, next term is your z bar. So this is z and it is having only bar term, so this will be z bar, which is and odd over here. So this final output is odd over here, and we get the final output, that is f of x, y, z is equal to z bar plus x dot y bar. Okay, so this is your second problem. Now we will have the next problem. Again, one problem we will see related to 3 variable K map. Okay, I will have the next problem. Your third problem is given Boolean function f equal to a bar c plus a bar b plus a bar c plus bc. There are 2 problems asked in this one. Expressed it in sum of mean terms. Second one is find the minimal sum of product expression. Okay, so this is the problem which is given to you. What is asked in this one? The Boolean expression is given here itself. Okay, you have to find out sum of mean terms. Means you have to search that 0, 1, 2, 3, such kind of a decimal number which will arise in this Boolean expression. Also, you have to reduce this equation. You have to find the minimum sum of product expression also. Means minimum equation also you have to find out. So we will write down the solution related to it. The solution is, first you will draw the K map. For this you are going to draw the K map first. Here is your K map. Here the mean terms are A, B, C. So we will write here A, B, C. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1. Okay. So we will write down its decimal equivalent over here. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the K-map related to it. Now what is asked over here? The equation is given. See, here the equation is given. F equal to A bar C. A bar C. You have to do the reverse which we have done earlier. A bar. A bar is what? 0. Okay. So A bar means here we will see the 0 term, means the answer is in this line. A bar C. B is not available. A bar C is given. So C, only C means wherever your C is 1, 1. Okay. C is present. It means that in both, wherever there is C as 1, we have to write as 1. So we can write this equation as 1 and here also 1. Okay. Next term is your A bar B. Again A bar means your this line, 0 line. A bar. So in this term only you are having your A bar B. Next is B. B is 1 over here. So you have to find where your B is 1. This is 1 and this one is also 1. So here already 1 is written. Again you have to write down 1 over here. Okay. Next term is A B bar C. So A, this is your A. B bar means your 0 and 0 term. So these two boxes will be having B bar, and also you are having C. So you have to write down from these two terms, you have to find out where there is C. Here it is 0 means it is C bar. Here it is 1 means it is C. So the final box will be this box. So here the value will be A B bar C. Okay. Similarly, you have to find out for next, that is BC. 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 Where it is BC. Here it is also B as 1 and C is 1. So here column wise you have to write it down as 1, 1. So we have write down this equation, this complete equation in our K-map. Okay. So in this case your first point has been solved, that we can write down here. The function can be expressed in sum of mean term forms, that is f of A, B, C. Here we are having mean term as A, B, C. So variables as A, B, C. So we are writing here A, B, C. We have to write down in mean terms. So this will be summation of small m. And our mean term we have to write, means where there is 1 we have to write that number. So it is 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. So this is our first point, the answer of our first point. Second, what? You have to find the minimal sum of product expression, means you have to minimize this K-map. How we can minimize this K-map? We have to again pair this, right? How the pairing is possible in this case? Can we make the group of 4? Yes, we can make group of 4. So here it is, group of 4. Okay, next left is only this one, which can be possible with the adjacent one. So this is your second group. Okay, so you have to write down the equation related to this group. First I will write for this one. This is your common to this one is A bar, so this will be A bar. Next is B. B is common. C is uncommon, so leave it. Next is your pairing of 4. In case of pairing of 4, A is changing in 0 and 1, so leave it. B is also changing, so leave it. C is common, so the name of this pair will be C. Okay, so your final equation, that is sum of product expression. Your final equation is sum of product expression after simplification. The answer will be f of a comma b comma c is equal to, what it is, a bar b, so it is a bar b plus c. So this is the answer related with your third problem.